All right, so this video is to introduce what our online class is going to be like. We're going to have to be taking online classes for the next couple of weeks, so I just want to make sure that you understand how to access all the videos, all the assignments, and all the resources that you're going to need to be able to complete and turn in your assignments. So first things first, you do not need to complete the tasks that are in the district's digital backpack. So the district sent that email on Sunday evening. You do not need to do that. For my class, you need to make sure you check in with your teachers and see what they have you doing. But for my geometry class, you are going to go to It's Learning each week. You're going to watch a video that's attached and you're going to complete the practice for each week. So it is our expectation for you guys to turn in all the assignments each week for that, so that you get credit for geometry. You are going to show your work on notebook paper. You're going to take a picture of it. You're going to upload it into the assignment in It's Learning. So I'm going to walk you through how to do everything in this video. But you do have to turn in all your assignments in by 3 o'clock each Friday. And I'm going to show you how to do all this once I start showing you. If you have questions, you'll be able to email me later. Again, any questions or assistance that you need is going to be like regular school hours. I'm going to be available from 7:30 to 3:30 every day from Monday through Friday. My office hours are listed in my It's Learning page. And if you would like to meet, you're just going to send me an email and then I will respond back with the Zoom link, which is a software that's available in your Chromebooks, and it allows you to see me face to face, and I can help you with any problems, any questions that you might be having. All right, so remember, to get credit for geometry, you have to complete the work that is going to be assigned each week. All right, so first, you are already familiar with It's Learning because we use it in class. So you would log into It's Learning each week. You are going to find my class, geometry, make sure it's the second semester. And remember, for my class, you always go under plans. So for my class, everything is always going to be in plan. So you hit the plans tab. And then there's going to be a plan for each week. So right here, this is the first week of school, online classes, March 23 to March 27. We're going to be working on perimeter and area for circles and regular polygons. So everything that you need is going to be right here in this plan. You can access everything straight from here. You're going to have videos that you have to watch, assignments that you have to create. You're going to have to submit answers in ClassGeek like we've been doing, but I'm going to walk you through it. So you could either choose to navigate straight from here, or if you just click on the very first thing, it's going to show you the examples. So this is what I regularly give you during class. I made you cut them out, put them in your notebook. It's online classes now, so obviously you don't need to do that. If you want to just watch the video and write things on a separate sheet of paper, that's fine. However you want to do that, but these are the examples that I usually provide in class. So if you want to, you can cut them, paste them just like we did in class. It's up to you. And then let me show you as a student view. So click on the first one. So those are the examples. Then over here you see arrows that allows you to move to the next resource. So hit the right arrow. It'll take you straight to the video, which is where I explain all the notes. You'll watch the video, write things down. Once you're done with that video, there is a second video that helps you out with the backside of that first assignment. And then hit the next arrow. It shows you the document. So once you copy all the notes, have everything written down, you can either print this or copy the problems and solve them on a sheet of paper. It's up to you. So here is the assignment that you'll be working on. Again, you can print or just copy them on notebook paper. You solve them. And then click the next arrow. It takes you to the ClassGeek link. So once you have all your problems worked out, you just go ahead and click on here. It takes you straight to the ClassGeek with the code already typed in. You have to type your name, and I want you to do it in the specific order. So first, I want your last name. For example, me, Cruz, and then your first name. So mine would be Cruz, comma, Elizabeth. I want you to do it like this for every single assignment, every single time. That way it'll show in my list exactly like it does in Skyward in the gradebook. If you don't do it like this, I'm gonna delete your account. I'm gonna send you a message. I'm gonna tell you to type it the right way. Every single time you have to type it the exact same way. Otherwise, it's gonna identify you as a different student. And if you didn't finish your work on the first time that you started it, then it's not going to save your work. So you have to make sure you save it the exact same way, or you type in your name the exact same way. Spaces, every single letter, everything has to be the same, or else it's not going to save your work. So make sure you type it in the exact same way all the time. And so once you enter your name, you hit go, it'll load the assignment, the exact same thing that I had on the other one, and you just start typing in your answers. Remember, if it's right, it'll mark it green. If it's wrong, it'll mark it red. So that's how you'll be turning in your assignments. So if you keep going in It's Learning, there's a second video. Depending on the week, you might have one video, you might have two, depends on what we're covering that week. So for this first week, there's 3 videos. And then it gives you the assignment. So again, you'll solve the assignment and then submit your answers in Classkick using the link. And once you're done with everything, it shows you just notes if you want to look at the notes. But it also gives you a week 1 work assignment. This is an assignment. You have to click on answer assignment, and it says right here, take a picture of your 11-2 assignments, so both of them, and submit it here. So you have to show me all your work and your pictures. You're gonna answer assignment. You're not gonna have to type in anything right here. Right here where it says add files, here is where you're gonna attach your pictures of your work. So I would recommend that you do this on your phone. That way it's easier. It's just, if you just take your pictures in your phone, then you just add files from your phone. You look for the pictures. You can select more than one. If you do control and then click on the other assignments, you can put more than one picture. And before you submit it, it shows you which pictures or which documents you're uploading into the assignment. So once you have those in there, you hit submit, and then that's it. I hit cancel because this is just an example. Okay. So everything that you need is going to be right here. If you have questions, make sure you email me. You can always message me through It's Learning also. I would prefer if you message me through It's Learning. It's easier that way. But remember, everything must be submitted by Friday at 3:00 p.m. or you would not get credit for the work on that week. So make sure you submit all that each Friday by 3 p.m. Again, if you have any more questions on how to do any of this, just email me and I can always set up a Zoom meeting with you. And my about me, in my profile in your It's Learning, you can find my office hours to do that.